Welcome to TaxTron Web tutorial video series. In this video, we will take a detailed walk through the process of setting up your account in TaxTron Pro Web. Let's get started. To begin, log into your TaxTron Web account. Once you are logged in, kindly access your profile by clicking on your email at the top right corner. On the left side of the screen, you will notice the icon navigation bar. Click on the account icon to initiate the setup of your main account profile. You will be presented with the first question: are you preparing Quebec returns? Select yes or no based on your needs. Next, choose your preferred language of correspondence, English or French. Then, select the default province for your tax returns. For this example, we will choose Ontario. Next, enter the name of your firm. Select the type of organization that best describes your firm, individual, corporation, or partnership. Take a moment to complete the address for your firm and enter the first name of the administrator, account holder, or the representative person. Next, fill in the firm email address. Enter the full name of the preparer. This can either be the same as the administrator, account holder, or a different individual. Then, enter the preparer's position title. If you have a fax number, you may enter it here. Next, enter the preparer's business number, which is mandatory. If you do not have a business number, you may use your SIN number for the setup. If you wish to obtain business authorization from your clients, formerly known as RC-59, complete this section. You can also enter the business consent expiry date, if needed. Then, choose the authorization level for business consent. There are 3 levels. Allow access to information only, view only. Allow access to information and make certain account changes, update and view. Or delegate authority, allow access to information, and make certain account changes, delegate authority, update and view. Most representatives opt for level 2, update and view. If you require authorization for your T1 clients to access their CRA account, you will need to set this up as well. Choose whether you prefer online or telephone authorization. For this example, we will select online authorization. Select the type of authorization, Rep ID, Group ID, or business number. Please note that these are separate from your e-file number application, which you can apply for on the CRA website. For this video, we will select Rep ID. Kindly enter your Rep ID and the name of the Rep ID holder. Then, choose the level of authorization. Scroll down to the e-file and e-file T3 or e-file Trust Tax Return section. Here, you can select the delivery options for assessments like Notice of Assessment or Reassessment, Pre-Assessment Review Code, or Post-Assessment Review Code. If you prefer, you may skip this section as Not Applicable is selected by default. Lastly, answer the question, Do not print instruction pages. If you prefer not to print the extra instruction pages that accompany various tax forms, please select Yes. Finally, click on the Save button to save all your settings. And there you have it. You have successfully set up your account in TaxTron Pro Web. Next, we have the Locations tab. Here, you will click on the head office, which is our default location. Once you click on this tab, you will see the Federal, Quebec, Discounted and Authorization. In the Federal tab, you will see the location name, which cannot be changed for the default location. However, if you create additional locations later, you can change their names. This is also where you will update your e-file number and password. As you know, the CRA updates your e-file password every year, so you will return to this tab to make the necessary updates. The e-file number can be a combination of either 2 ladders and 3 digits or 1 ladder 4 digits. Let's enter some dummy entry for e-file number and password. Next, you will need to enter the phone number and the address of your location. If you wish to update other tabs, you can do so, otherwise, just click on Update and you will be done. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.